Here's how you can use your CR202 Lite. It's a very simple, easy device to use. On the side here, that is the power button. Just hold that for about a second or two. The lights will pop up on the front here, and it'll power up. There's two ways you can connect to it, either Ethernet or Wi-Fi. The SSID and the Wi-Fi password are located on the back. Each device has its own unique SSID and Wi-Fi password. If you would like to make some configuration changes to the device, go connect to the device, either Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Go to that address right there. There's a username and the password that you can use to log into the device. And from there, you can make changes to the settings of the device. The most common setting change that people like to change is the Wi-Fi password. To do so, again, that's the address. The username by default is ADM. And the password is right there. Each device does have its own unique password. Very simple, easy device to use. Again, hit that power button, give it a minute or two, lights will come up. That light right there will turn solid when it's connected to the cell network, and you are ready to use it.